Good day everyone. My name is Michael Villaroya, and today I want to share with you my scientist scrapbook journal. By the way, who is Dr. Fabian Millar-Dairit? Dr. Fabian Millar-Dairit, he is an emeritus professor of the Department of Chemistry of the Ateneo de Manila University. He is also famous as a researcher in medicinal plants and natural products chemistry, mostly those occurring in the Philippines. He has also played a central role in setting up of advanced chemical analysis in the country. What did Dr. Dairit discovered or invent? Dr. Dairit didn't invent a single device, but his work involved discovering and scientifically validating the active compounds in various Philippine medicinal plants. His research is a form of scientific discovery. He isolated and identified pharmacologically active compounds from indigenous plants like lagundi and Moringina oleifera, or also known as malunggay. He also conducted extensive research on coconut oil, establishing quality standards for virgin coconut oil or VCO. During the COVID-19 pandemic, he proposed and researched the potential of coconut oil and its derivatives as antiviral agents, which led to clinical studies. Dr. Dairit's research was crucial for several reasons. First is scientific validation. He brought a scientific approach to traditional herbal medicine by using advanced techniques like nuclear magnetic resonance and mass spectrometry. He was able to prove which compounds in these plants were responsible for their medicinal properties. Second is national pride and resource development. His work helped to elevate the status of Philippine plants in the scientific community and supported the development of local industries, such as the production of quality virgin coconut oil. The impact of his work is still very much present and continues to grow. Like Lagundi Vertex Nigundo L is now a recognized and widely used herbal medicine for coughs and asthma in Philippines. Thanks in part to the research he and his colleagues conducted to standardize its use. The standards for virgin coconut oil he helped to establish ensure its quality and competitiveness in both local and international markets. Third is his research on VCO as a potential or VCO, also known as virgin coconut oil, as a potential antiviral during the pandemic highlighted the importance of exploring natural products for medical solutions and paved the way for further studies. Dr. Dairit's personal reflection. According to Dr. Dairit, chemistry is very vital but overlooked discipline in the Philippines. Being a central science, he feels that it is crucial to the development of the country more so it expands its horizon in fields such as information technology and biology. He has spent much of his professional life building chemistry education and infrastructure. As an example, he assisted in funding National Chemistry Instrumentation Center at the Ateneo de Manila University, where some of the state-of-the-art equipment were introduced to the country, such as the first high-resolution mass spectrometer. This was one of the giant leap towards world-class chemical analysis in the Philippines. Why I admire Dr. Fabian Miller Dairit's works is that I love the work of Dr. Fabian Miller Dairit, who was true representation of the scientist that directly give gives back to his community and country through the knowledge he possesses. His purpose in pursuit of theoretical discoveries was not merely to pursue it. He used his knowledge in chemistry to ascend and justify the ancient knowledge held by the Filipino people. His study of Lagundi and Malunggay transform traditional medicines to modern medicines which have scientific basis, and these provide them with credence in the contemporary world. Not only was this offering safer and more reliable health choices, but also it gave our local resources a sense of national pride. Moreover, he has been associated with developing standards of virgin coconut oil, which demonstrates his passion to promote local industries and allow them to compete with the global market. His pandemic research on VCO, or also known as virgin coconut oil, as a possible antiviral shows his commitment to local and affordable responses to the global pandemic. He demonstrates that the great science does not always need to be the result of a high-tech laboratory somewhere in the world, but it can produce a great science through a good mind with a vision to change things at home.